While the concept of a 7-star hotel is not officially recognized, there are a select few hotels that have earned this prestigious title through their exceptional level of opulence and service. From Dubai's iconic Burj Al Arab, often referred to as the world's only 7-star hotel, to other ultra-luxurious properties around the globe, each of these hotels offers an unparalleled experience. Prepare to be mesmerized by lavish suites, breathtaking views, and indulgent amenities that go beyond imagination. Whether it's the personalized butler service, exclusive access to private beaches, or Michelin-starred dining experiences, these hotels spare no expense in creating a truly unforgettable stay for their esteemed guests. Let's embark on a journey to discover the pinnacle of luxury in the world's most extraordinary 7-star hotels. Signal Seoul, South Korea. The Signal Seoul is a 7-star hotel located in Seoul, South Korea. Additionally, the Lotte World Tower houses Signal Seoul, one of the tallest structures in the entire world. The most expensive hotel in the nation, Signal Seoul offers helicopter transfers for its wealthiest visitors and Michelin-star chefs in the on-site restaurants. Even though it isn't as pricey as some of the other hotels on this list, a nightly rate in one of its most expensive rooms will still cost you close to $1,000. Guests staying here will have access to the largest champagne bar in Asia and breathtaking panoramas of Seoul. Taj Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad, India. This opulent hotel is located in India 2,000 feet above Hyderabad. The Taj Falaknuma Palace is a luxurious inn that was first constructed in 1884. When you stay here, you'll truly feel like royalty, riding in a horse-drawn carriage and having a personal butler at your disposal. With marble staircases and 24-karat gold wall moldings, the common areas are nothing short of opulent. In addition to being a hotel, it doubles as a historical artifact and museum. Visitors can view priceless relics like the Nizam's distinctive chair, the former ruler of Hyderabad, and the former palace occupant. Hotel President Wilson, Geneva, Switzerland. The largest and most expensive suite in the world is located in the 5-star Hotel President Wilson in Geneva, which isn't necessarily a 7-star establishment. This suite, which occupies the top floor of the Hotel President Wilson, is called the Royal Penthouse Suite. For roughly $80,000 per night, visitors to this magnificent suite can expect to enjoy opulent extras like a grand piano, bulletproof windows, a pool table, the largest TV in the world, antique books and artwork, and of course, an unbeatable view of Lake Geneva. This suite, which has 12 bedrooms and a sizable dining room, is ideal for throwing an unforgettable party. Laguna Island Resort, Fiji. One of the most opulent resorts in the South Pacific is Laguna Island Resort, where you can fly in on a private jet and spend a luxurious beach vacation. The Laguna Island Resort in Fiji is a truly exclusive getaway for the rich and famous and is located on Laguna Island. There are 25 private villas on the island, with the Dalana Hilltop estate owned by the island's owner being the most expensive at $55,000 per night. The least expensive villa still costs a staggering $4,000 per night. The resort offers a variety of activities, including golf, kayaking, and even submarine rides. Burj Al Arab, Dubai. The Burj Al Arab in Dubai, one of the city's most recognizable hotels, is at the top of this list. As one of the world's tallest hotels, it is also the origin of the term 7-star hotel. This hotel is impressive just by virtue of the fact that it is built on a fake island. The Royal Suite won't let those with money to burn in one extravagant night down, but it costs $20,000 per night, and some sources say it can go up to $27,000. The Royal Suite, which costs the most at Burj Al Arab, has a butler service, a cinema room, a Rolls-Royce chauffeur, and a private check-in process. Emirates Palace, Mandarin Oriental. As soon as you enter this hotel in Abu Dhabi, you'll realize why it deserves 7 stars. The decor of Emirates Palace, which includes gold-crusted objects and Swarovski crystal chandeliers, exudes luxury in every way. If you're looking to purchase some gold, you should probably go to this location's gold vending machine. When you're not admiring the lavish interior, you'll want to wander around the grounds, which have 12 outdoor fountains. The most extravagant room costs $11,000 per night, but prices range from reasonably priced to $350 per night.